Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we turn big farming dreams into achievable realities. Today, we'll explore how you can start your own chicken farming business with just $100. Whether you're new to poultry or looking for a cost-effective approach, this guide will walk you through practical, budget-friendly strategies. Discover how careful planning and smart resource management can help you launch a successful venture without breaking the bank. Let's dive into the essentials of building a thriving chicken farm on a modest budget. Chicken farming offers several compelling advantages for aspiring entrepreneurs. It is known for its profitability, as chickens grow quickly and provide both meat and eggs, creating multiple streams of income. The business is highly scalable, allowing farmers to start small and expand operations as they gain experience and resources. Chicken farming is also well suited for beginners, requiring only basic knowledge and simple equipment to get started. With minimal investment and access to basic resources, many people find it an accessible entry point into agriculture. Developing a business plan begins with setting clear, achievable goals that define what you want your business to accomplish. Next, it's important to identify your target market by researching who your ideal customers are and understanding their needs and preferences. This helps tailor your products or services to better meet market demand. Finally, estimating potential returns involves projecting your expected revenue and expenses, allowing you to assess the financial viability of your business idea. Together, these steps provide a solid foundation for building a successful business strategy. Choosing the right chicken breed involves balancing your budget with the specific needs of your environment. Some breeds are renowned for their high egg production, making them ideal for those seeking a steady supply of eggs. Others are valued for their meat quality, which may be a priority if you plan to raise chickens for consumption. It's also important to consider disease resistance, as certain breeds are better adapted to local climates and common health challenges. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can select a breed that thrives in your conditions while meeting your production goals. Sourcing healthy chicks or pullets at an affordable price begins with researching reputable suppliers in your area. Look for hatcheries or farms with positive reviews, transparent health practices, and a history of satisfied customers. Visiting the supplier in person, if possible, allows you to assess the cleanliness of their facilities and the condition of their birds. To secure better prices, consider buying in bulk or during off-peak seasons, and don't hesitate to politely negotiate or ask about discounts for larger orders. Building a good relationship with your supplier can also lead to future savings and access to healthier stock. Setting up a simple and affordable chicken coop can be accomplished using materials like bamboo, wood pallets, or corrugated metal sheets, all commonly found in many local areas. For each chicken, allocate at least 2 to 3 square feet of space inside the coop to ensure they remain healthy and comfortable. Proper ventilation is essential, so include small windows or mesh-covered openings near the roof to allow fresh air to circulate while keeping the interior dry. To protect your chickens from predators, reinforce the coop with sturdy wire mesh and ensure that doors and windows can be securely closed at night. Position the coop on slightly elevated ground to prevent flooding and maintain a clean, dry environment. Feeding chickens on a tight budget requires creativity and careful planning. Homemade feed mixes, using grains like corn, wheat, and oats, can be a cost-effective alternative to commercial feeds. Supplementing their diet with kitchen scraps such as vegetable peels, fruit trimmings, and leftover rice not only reduces waste, but also provides valuable nutrients. To ensure optimal growth and egg production, it's important to include sources of protein like cooked beans or mealworms, and provide access to calcium through crushed eggshells or oyster shells. Balancing these elements helps maintain healthy, productive chickens without overspending. Keeping your chickens healthy starts with providing clean water, fresh feed, and a dry, well-ventilated coop. Regularly clean the coop and nesting boxes to reduce the risk of disease. Watch for signs of illness, such as changes in appetite, drooping feathers, or unusual behavior, and separate any sick birds from the flock. Simple biosecurity measures, like washing your hands before and after handling chickens and limiting visitors to your coop, can help prevent the spread of disease. You don't need expensive equipment. Basic cleanliness and observation go a long way in maintaining a healthy flock. Effective poultry management relies on consistent daily and weekly routines. Each day, it's important to provide fresh feed and clean water, ensuring all birds have access. Regular cleaning of feeders, drinkers, and bedding helps prevent disease and maintain a healthy environment. Observing the flock for any signs of illness or unusual behavior allows for early intervention. Weekly, a more thorough cleaning of the housing and equipment, along with record keeping of flock health and production, supports both productivity and animal welfare. When selling eggs or meat locally, adopting cost-effective marketing strategies can make a significant difference. Utilizing social media platforms allows you to reach a broad audience with minimal expense, sharing updates, photos, and promotions to engage potential customers. Word of mouth remains a powerful tool, as satisfied customers often recommend your products to friends and family. Additionally, tapping into community networks such as local farmers markets, neighborhood groups, or bulletin boards can help build trust and establish a loyal customer base. By combining these approaches, you can effectively promote your products without a large marketing budget. To make the most of a $100 budget for starting a small poultry project, careful allocation is key. Begin by setting aside around $30 to purchase healthy chicks, as they are your primary investment. Allocate about $40 for quality feed, which is essential for their growth and productivity. Housing can be managed with roughly $20 by using recycled materials or building a simple coop. Reserve the remaining $10 for other essentials like feeders, waterers, and basic health supplies. To minimize costs, consider sourcing secondhand equipment and buying feed in bulk, while maximizing returns by focusing on proper care and efficient resource use. New chicken farmers often encounter several challenges, such as managing disease outbreaks, ensuring proper nutrition, and protecting their flock from predators. Limited budgets can make these issues even more daunting. To address health concerns, farmers can focus on maintaining clean coops and using natural remedies, like apple cider vinegar and water, to boost immunity. For affordable nutrition, sourcing local grains or kitchen scraps can supplement feed costs. Simple predator deterrents, such as secure fencing and locking coops at night, offer effective protection without significant expense. In summary, starting your own chicken farming journey can be both rewarding and sustainable with the right knowledge and resources. Remember to focus on proper planning, animal care, and efficient management practices for the best results. If you have questions or need further guidance, SMART-AGRI Hub is here to support you every step of the way. Feel free to share your thoughts, experiences, or inquiries, and connect with our community for ongoing advice and encouragement.